Is your thermal printer not printing anything? Try these simple steps to ensure that your Epson TM-T88 thermal receipt printer is set up correctly and working properly. A lot of times the printer isn't actually broken, but the wires are set up incorrectly, or the wrong paper is being used, or the paper is loaded incorrectly. So let's walk through the different scenarios. If there are no lights on the control panel, check to make sure that the cable is plugged into the printer and into the wall or socket, and turn your printer on. If you are seeing the error light, make sure that the paper cover is completely closed. So you'll know it's closed when you hear the click. If you are getting the paper error light, then you might be out of paper, or your paper might be installed incorrectly. You also want to make sure that you are using the right type of paper. So the Epson TM-T88 is a thermal printer, so you want to make sure that you are using thermal paper rolls, and the size that this takes is the 3 1/8 inch wide by 2 30-foot long thermal paper roll. So once you make sure you have the right kind of paper, you want to make sure it's installed correctly. So you want to place it with the paper feeding under this way and not that way. So let's see what's going on here. So it looks like this roll was placed with the paper incorrectly, so you want to place it this way. Another thing you want to make sure you do is pull out some excess, because otherwise if you don't, if you just drop it in that way, you'll still get the paper error, and that's because there is nothing for the printer to kind of grip onto. You want to make sure you place it in the right way and pull out some excess paper. Now, if you are seeing the error light flashing, that means that there is a paper jam. So again, you'll want to open up the cover, gently take out the roll, and place it back in the correct way. And of course, when all else fails, reboot your printer. Turn it off, unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and try again. Sometimes that's all you need to do to get your printer working again. Another recommendation that we have for this printer is to use a thermal printer cleaning card. What this will do is clean the thermal printer head and get rid of any dirt, debris, contaminants, etc. And it will help with paper jams and misprints and help keep your printer clean and working efficiently. We hope this video was helpful, but if you have any other questions or need more troubleshooting for your Epson TM-T88, we will link to the user manual in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.